Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it. Pull up. Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it.
Grew up around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had to go backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people love the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon. I see the crowd. Took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me,
pull up. Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it. Pull up. Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it.
Open your mind up and listen to me. If you do not hear me, then you will be history, Kendrick. I know that you're nauseous right now, and I'm hoping to lead you to victory, Kendrick.
if I take another one down, I'ma drown in some poison, abusing my limit. I think that I'm feeling the vibe. I see the love in her eyes. I see the feeling of freedom is granted as soon as the damage of vodka arrives. This how you capitalize. This is parental advice. And apparently, I'm over influenced by what you are doing. I thought I was doing the most, and someone said to me,
fade it.
Open your mind up and listen to me.
Think that I'm